The landscape of government tablet replacement programs changed significantly in 2024. The Affordable Connectivity Program, which previously supported device replacements, ended in June 2024 due to lack of federal funding. Despite the end of the ACP, digital equity initiatives continue through four main replacement pathways. These include manufacturer warranty claims, state digital equity programs, local government programs, and educational institution programs. Eligibility for these programs typically depends on several key factors. Income requirements are usually set at or below 200% of federal poverty guidelines. Participants in programs like SNAP, Medicaid, or WIC often qualify automatically. Program participation in SNAP, Medicaid, WIC, or housing assistance often provides automatic qualification. Educational status and age are also important factors, with seniors over 65 and students often receiving priority. Replacement coverage typically addresses four main scenarios. Hardware failures include manufacturing defects, screen damage, and battery issues. Theft or loss claims usually require a police report for processing. To apply for a replacement tablet, you'll need to prepare several important documents. These include government-issued photo identification, proof of income and residence, your device's serial number or purchase documentation, and a police report, if applicable, for theft or loss claims. Understanding these program changes and requirements is essential for successfully obtaining a replacement tablet in 2025. While the federal ACP program has ended, numerous state and local alternatives continue to provide digital equity support for eligible individuals and families. The first phase of applying for a Sky Devices government tablet replacement is eligibility verification. This critical step ensures you meet all program requirements before proceeding with your application. Step 1 is conducting an initial assessment to determine if you qualify under current program guidelines. You'll need to verify your income level, program participation status, and geographic location. Step 2 involves gathering all necessary documentation. This includes government-issued photo identification, proof of income such as pay stubs or tax returns, proof of residence, and any previous device documentation. Step 3 requires identifying which specific program covers your situation. With the end of the federal Affordable Connectivity Program, you'll need to research state-level and local municipal programs that are currently accepting applications. Step 4 is completing and submitting your application. Most programs now offer both online and paper application options. The online application process has become increasingly user-friendly and efficient. Phase 2 covers application processing, which typically takes 5 to 15 business days. During this time, program administrators will review your application and verify your eligibility. The review period involves thorough verification of your submitted documents and eligibility criteria. Program staff will check your income documentation, verify your program participation status, and confirm your residence in the service area. During processing, you may receive verification calls or requests for additional documentation. Program staff might contact you to clarify information or request updated documents to complete your application. Upon approval, you'll receive notification via email or mail confirming your eligibility. You'll then be able to select from available Sky Devices models that meet current program specifications. Phase 3 involves device distribution and setup. This final phase includes coordinating device pickup or delivery, activation, and accessing training resources for optimal device usage. You'll coordinate the pickup or delivery of your device through the program's distribution system. Many programs offer flexible options, including mail delivery, pickup locations, or mobile distribution units. Device activation involves technical setup and account creation. Modern Sky Devices tablets come with enhanced features including 5G connectivity, improved accessibility options, and preloaded educational software. Access to training resources and digital literacy programs is a crucial component of modern tablet replacement programs. These resources help users maximize their device capabilities and develop essential digital skills. Enhanced accessibility features are now standard in Sky Devices tablets, making them more inclusive for users with disabilities. These features include improved screen readers, button shapes, and customizable display options. To maximize your success in obtaining a replacement tablet Experts recommend applying to multiple eligible programs simultaneously, maintaining current documentation, networking with local organizations for program updates, and practicing proper device care to prevent future issues.